Hello boss, we are the high frequency welding machines factory. Today I will introduce this machine for you. This is a high frequency welding and cutting machines, and today we use it to make the cartoon sticker. And now I will show you how to operate. The machine has Chinese and English two language. Now I will show you the full automatic mode. We just start it. We can see the machine is automatic running and welding head will down. And now this machine has two workstation. If you need, we can customize three workstation and four workstation. Okay, if you have some problem, we just need to stop it. If you want to make the stickers or want to buy this machine, please contact me. We are professional.